Yes, so my goal is a clear coat based on natural resins, plant-based resins. This is an dammar resin. The mix ratio is 1 to 2, 1 part dammar resin and 2 parts terpuntine. You have to wait
guter Geruch. 136. Mal gucken. Natürlicher Lack.
I had to wait most likely 2 days till it was till the resin was soft, and after solving I filtered it and then took 2 very fine filters to get out the dirt. This clear coat is not comparable with synthetic clear coat. It's not that clear, but it is very near to it. I will test it in another video and we will see how good it will work, and maybe I will change the recipe, maybe make it more waterproof with linseed oil. I don't know, we will see. I made this strainer by myself, very basic. I made it with leftovers